You can create cinematic AI videos in 2 minutes with AI, and I'm going to show you the whole process, not just talk about it. The tool is Higgsfield. Stick around, because the result at the end is genuinely impressive. So what is Higgsfield? Straight from the source, turn ideas, images, and prompts into cinematic AI videos with more control. Explore Higgsfield tools for AI video, image, character, and creator workflows. Consistent AI characters in plain words, it lets you create cinematic AI videos without any skills. Let me show you what it can really do. Here's what makes Higgsfield worth your time, taken straight from the tool itself. First, Higgsfield plugin for DaVinci Resolve. On top of that, introducing Recraft 4.1. That's real capability, not marketing fluff. And these aren't mock-ups. This is real work people made with Higgsfield. Look at the quality, and keep in mind they had no experience when they started. It goes further too. Higgsfield viral presets. MCP and CLI. So it's not a one-trick tool, you'll actually keep using it. Let's actually use it. Go to the Higgsfield website and sign up. You can log in with Google in a few seconds, and the free plan needs no credit card. Once you're in, you start your project the same way you saw in those examples. You describe what you want in plain words, or upload your own file to work from. Hit generate, and Higgsfield does the heavy lifting in seconds. If it's not perfect, you tweak your prompt or settings and run it again. That back and forth is where the magic happens. When you're happy, export your result and use it anywhere, in your videos, your business, or social media. The whole thing really does take about 2 minutes. Honestly, the free plan is enough to get real value and test it properly. You only need to pay once you're scaling up or want commercial rights. No pressure to upgrade on day one. That's the full process to create cinematic AI videos with Higgsfield in 2 minutes. The link to try it is in the description. If this was useful, subscribe. I break down a new AI tool properly every day.